Okay, now we're going to go to pattern mode. We press pattern, and we're here in pattern mode. Now if you want to get a new pattern, we can go to a blank pattern, that is. We can go to pattern list, scroll down, get an empty pattern right there. I'll go select F5, and we have a brand new pattern. We go to hit our MIDI track. Okay, now I want to set up and got me a new, brand new track. I want to get me a new sequence going on. Move the cursor down to where it says MIDI. On MIDI tracks, I record MIDI instruments. Next, I'll pick the track parameters. That's F2. It comes up with a dialog box. This one here has MIDI track 1. You can rename this track, which I'll do right now. I'll press F1. I'll name this track. I'm going to call it Kick. So I'll call it Kick. The cursor over. Press my keypads. The corresponding letters. Then press OK. Enter. And it's called a kick track now. Next. What I want to do here next is View Control can be on. I want to assign a patch this. A patch which have, drums or something. I got drums here, synth patches. You can hit a pad, maybe find out what's on that pad. I got drums here. I like this. I'll use that one. That's good. Right, I'll go further down now. And we have quantize type. Here, grid. I want to use 16th notes. Now you can also go to shuffle if you'd like to. And you can also go to template, where the MV800 gives you templates for specific styles of music. For example here, this is dance. It's template 1, that's 16 normal dance. C2, there's 16. We got heavy reggae here. So it gives you a template, which gives you groove patterns, which help you to shift that groove around to fit the type of music that you're going with. Here's pop. Here's rumba. You need to experiment, understand how templates work with your MV800, or even check out our video on going how to make a beat. We talk more about time shifting and quantizing. Okay, we've got this done. This is pretty cool. So I want to go to grid myself. Now, I'm almost ready to go. I'll press close. Got my sound picked out. Name my track. I'm going to do one more thing. We press record. Now here in record, we want to set the parameters up on how we want to record this information in our MV8800. Now I have overdub. That means we're going to record over what's already there and keep what's there. Now, if we go to replace, we record over what's there, but replace it totally. In this case, nothing's there. I'll use overdub 1. We have a 2-measure counting. The pattern is 2 measures or 2 bars long. Loop is off. We're not doing auto punch. And we want to hear record this. In record, we want to hear this metronome. So in this record mode, we want to hear this click, click, click go by. Sort of the paces as we record our track. We're in grid quantize, which is perfect. I'll press close it and stop it. I want to do one more thing. Before I record, I'll make sure I fix velocity. So when I hit a note down, it's the same level each time. Turn it off. It depends on how hard I hit it to get the right level.